Hello, Bob from Shocker Hitch. Today we're going to do an installation of sway bars, the friction style sway bars that fit onto our Shocker hitch. Step one, we're going to install the little hitch balls into ball mount. Next step, we're going to measure from the center of the hitch ball back 24 inches on each side, and that'll give us our position to mount the friction bars. So I'm going to measure back, ball center, 24 inches. Make a mark. Next step, line up your mini ball. Okay, next step, now that we've marked the holes, we're going to drill it. Put a couple bolts in to hold it square. Next step, we're going to hook up the friction tab. There we are, we just installed the friction bar sway. The advantage here is that if you're towing a trailer, sometimes in the wind, or maybe you've got a trailer that just doesn't tow well, we're going to take the sway out, make it more stable and safer to tow.